Hey beauties, it's Daisy here. Welcome to my channel. And guess what? Today we have a package from Nadula Hair. They sent me this bomb wig, which I will show you next. But first, I want to show you these headbands. This is a headband wig, so of course they had to send me some goodies, okay? So this is a cute little headband. It's pink and it's gray. So got a cute little design. And of course we got this cheetah one. And it comes with baby hair brush, which you need because we're getting ready to do these edges. 2 wig caps. This color doesn't work for me. They always send me like really light colors. I know I look light skinned, but I'm not that light, okay? I'm brown skin. And they have this cute little makeup pouch. I really like it. It has like a little purple undertone, okay? And a hairbrush. So here is the wig in the packaging. Let's take this out. Ooh, y'all, this is so pretty. I cannot wait to try this on. I'm a little skeptical because, you know, my hair is brown, but it's just gonna look like I have a dark brown root. We're gonna make this work, okay? This wig comes with some adjustable straps, and there's a big comb in the back so we can get into that kitchen, one in the front. And is there any on the sides? None on the sides. Oh, and there is adjustable straps right here. So you can adjust it based off of your head size. So first what I'm gonna do is these baby hairs, and then we are gonna pop this wig on. Oh, and here's one more headband that I didn't show you guys. I think there was more, but I get so many of these wigs lately. Everybody's been promoting headband wigs, so I have headbands for days. So I just put on whatever works for me. So we're gonna take our Gots to Be glue. And I have braids under here for my wig cap. And we're just going to put the glue where I think I'm gonna do the swoops. I really try to do my makeup last because things like this, I don't want to mess up my makeup, but just be very careful and precise and you should be good. And don't use too much glue. Just put it in the spots that you know you're going to need it. Then there's gonna be little spots on my head where my makeup is, but I will fix that after. So I got my paper towel. I'm just gonna dab off the little swoops where my makeup touch that glue. So now it's time for the wig. It already came bone straight. It's just a little bump in it from the packaging. So I'm just going to straighten that out. So I usually do not like clips. I put it in a little bit, not really, because it just bothers my head and I'm just ready to snatch the wig off. Like, I will be in the car and if the wig does not feel good, I will snatch that bad boy right off. I'm just gonna pin up the hair so we can get up under there. I'm gonna snap that. Pull it down. There's a clip under here. I just don't get too deep in there because it hurts. But just enough so it doesn't come off. And voila, your girl is a redhead. This is so pretty. I'm gonna fix the band, don't worry. I just gotta get the hair out of my face. So I like to push this little headband that's on the wig back a little bit because it can show in the front. You want to make sure none of that is showing, but it's looking good so far. And look at the hair, it's already still straight. Remove my stuff. I'm getting stuff all in my bed. So yeah, hair is super straight, has just enough volume, not too much, not too little. I really don't even need to straighten this, but I just have to for my own sake. So I'm just taking big sections really, since this hair is already straight. You don't have to do anything too crazy. And the less heat, the better. We don't want the hair to look fried. So I found this other scarf or headband, I shall say, and this will look better with the hair in my outfit. So I'm gonna go with this one. And voila, just like that, we're done. If you already have your makeup done, like that was so simple. This look took me less than 10 minutes to pop on and get it right. This is the perfect go-to wig, okay sis? So I like it. I was highly surprised. I was a little nervous with how this 99J would look with my natural hair, but it looks very natural. Like, even though it's two different tones, it's just like, okay, we have a little contrast. And you can't even tell. The hair is really long and silky. Let me show you guys the back. So the good thing about this hair is it's not shedding at all. I have nothing coming out of here, nothing whatsoever, which is really crazy. I love the color though. Do you guys see the close-up of this color? It's so pretty. Like it has that pop of color, but it's not like too much. So when you go in the sunlight, it's not like you're looking crazy like Miss Wendy. You're looking like a natural burgundy mamacita. And as far as tangling, nothing whatsoever. I really want to see how long this wig lasts because the quality is A1, and I'm super surprised, especially with like colored hair. Sometimes the hair is a little more tough than if you just have a natural colored wig. But this hair feels just like a 1B wig. It's crazy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give your girl a thumbs up. You know I do appreciate the support. I want to thank Nadula Hair for sending me this hair. And you guys for watching. To my next video. Peace.